eye gun. Why? Because when you press this button and you flip it up, there's a trigger. See this rail? That happens. Today I have an iPhone, eye gun technically, because as you can see, this very much not an iPhone, and this is an eye gun. Why? Well, let me tell you why. Because when you press this button and you flip it up, there's a trigger. See this rail? You pull it, and there you go. That's where you put your bullets. And guess what? They give you manual, 4 shells, and these bullets. Alright, so you see the shell, see this, I mean a normal bullet has a pin. Now, you see this. This is where you lock it on. Lock it on, I mean, sorry. Now, you put this inside, there's a spring. So you push this until you hear a click. I'll show you something right over here. Now, we see the top. It actually does it so fast to the point where you can't even see it. But if you put your finger, it hurts. Well, not too much, just a sting. But you get what I mean. You can also do what shotgunners do, I guess, with their double barrel shotguns. Check them like this so they wouldn't fling out, because in some games, when you do that, well, that happens. Also forgot to mention, you don't need a spring like on the real lifeguard / gun phone. You need to pull a spring and it'll shoot, but this one doesn't. See? You also see this? This is a front sight, so you can actually aim with the gun. I also found something about the gun just now while recording. When you put 1 shell only on the bottom, if you push it, well, either way it might work, because when I did that, it locked in place. Like this, it locked in place. See? It locked in place. Now, we can just shoot it again. So, overall, even though I know this is just a play toy, like completely a play toy, it's actually pretty cool. And honestly, if you were to play in a private skirmish match / you host it yourself and you allow to bring things like these, maybe you can be a bit sneaky, bit cheeky, bring this to the game, and kind of surprise everyone. Like, they're probably not gonna be surprised, because, you know, YouTube Shorts has a lot of these types of guns. But maybe a little fun or two, chuckle or two is worth it. So, might as well just do that, honestly, for fun, for the fun of it. There you go, the eye gun.